अस्सलाम एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सभी खैरियत से होंगे और वीडियोस को भी पसंद कर रहे होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं पोटेंशियल एंड कैपेसिटी के बारे में। इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल द प्रॉपर्टीज एग्जिबिटेड बाय अ चार्ज बॉडी रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द स्टोर्ड अप फॉर द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी ऑफ इट्स इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज एंड इट्स इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडीशन इज रेफर्ड टू एज इट्स इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल। An object with the excess electron is said to be at a negative potential. One with a deficiency at a positive potential. The Earth is so large that it can receive or give up electron identically, yet never show the properties of a charged body. So it is said to be at zero potential and taken as a standard from which the potential is measured. If an object with excess electron is connected to Earth, the extra electron pass from it to Earth. While if one with a deficiency is connected to Earth, it will attract the electron from Earth until it is electrically neutral. Thus, an object with a negative potential is one will tend to give an electron to Earth. And now we will talk about while one with a positive potential is one which tend to receive the electron from the Earth. Factor determining the potential. The unit of potential is the volt, which is defined in the chapter 2. The greater the electrical potential of an object, the more the marked are the properties resulting from the charge. When considering the magnitude of the potential, it is often convenient to think of it in the term of one of these properties. Greater the potential, the greater is repelling power for like charge. The magnitude of the potential depend on the quantity of electricity with which the object is charged. Number 2, the capacity of the object. Quantity of electricity is measured in columns, one column being defined member of the electron. Number of electron. If we identify objects are charged with different quantities of electricity, the one with the greater quantity of electricity has more stored up energy than other. This give it a great power for a like than other. This give it a great power for like charge, and so it is it has a greater potential for the two. A is charged with more electrical than B. यहाँ पर नज़र आ रहा है A के अंदर चार्ज ज़्यादा नज़र आ रहा है और B के अंदर कम. So the greater potential, thus the potential varies directly with the quantity of the electricity with which the object is charged. Capacity of an object is the ability to hold an electrical charge and depend on the material. Some material hold the electricity more readily than others. Conductors having a greatest power of storing a charge, and the objects such as a material tend to have a large capacity. The surface area. Charge is always on the surface of the object, so the greater the surface area, greater is the capacity. If two objects of the different capacity are charged with the same quantity of electricity, the charge is more concentrated on the smaller than on the larger. The pressure developed by the electricity on the smaller is therefore greater than that on the larger, and this give it a greater repelling power for a like charge, and so greater potential than the object with the large capacity. B has a smaller capacity than A and is charged to greater potential by same quantity of electricity. Thus, the potential varies inversely with the capacity of object. In order to charge two objects of different capacity to the same potential, the large must receive a greater quantity of electricity than the smaller. उसके बाद हमें यहाँ पर जो है डायग्राम में पता चल रहा है कि जो A और B है, फिगर 10 जो है इसमें है ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी चार्ज विद द इक्वल क्वांटिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. ठीक है, इनका साइज़ डिफरेंट है, लेकिन अगर चार्ज की बात करें दोनों में 6 है. लेकिन दूसरे में अगर हम बात करें ऑब्जेक्ट विद डिफरेंट कैपेसिटी चार्ज टू द सेम पोटेंशियल, अब कैपेसिटीज़ उनकी डिफरेंट हैं. अब एक A में साफ ज़ाहिर है ज़्यादा है और B में कम है. तो इस तरह से दो एग्जाम्पल्स दी हुई हैं जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. कोई इशू हो तो पूछ लीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.